We don't know each other, but I'm pleased to be able to give you my congratulations today. My name is John Bercow. I serve as Speaker of the House of Commons, and here in the British Parliament, as you will know, we have a Speaker Abbot award, and that award goes to a journalist who, in the most difficult circumstances, has discharged his or her professional duty to report, to inform, to alert the world to news that it needs to know. And that's what you've done in very, very, very difficult and sometimes hostile and often dangerous terrain in Mogadishu. You've been caught, I know, literally in the fire between Ethiopian troops and insurgents. You've suffered physical injury as a result of your professional heroism and commitment. And you've had to live with the predictable regularity of being in dangerous situations, of being at risk, of not knowing for certain whether you'll get through your working day safely. Despite all that, you've gone about your work, you've regularly kept the world informed, online, through BBC television, and indeed via the device of the radio. In all those ways, people have been better informed as a result of your dispatches than they would have been without them. I think you deserve very special praise, great thanks, and today here in Parliament, when the award was received on your behalf, you got a terrific reception and round of applause. My parliamentary colleagues from all parties and large numbers of journalists gathered to pay their respects to you. We fully understood that you couldn't be with us today, but I'm delighted that you'll get this message and you will know that your professionalism and your bravery are respected and have been recognised. Long may you continue in your work, perhaps until the time when it isn't so dangerous to report the news. Congratulations, we wish you well, and we hope in the future we shall have the privilege of meeting you. Cheerio.